floor is Josh, who will present the historical context.
When the book was written in 1962, the following events were taking place. The Cuban Missile Crisis, October 1962. Office of the Historian says the Cuban Missile Crisis of October 1962 was a direct and dangerous confrontation between the United States and the Soviet Union during the Cold War, and was the moment when the two superpowers came closest to nuclear conflict. The Vietnam War happened between November 1st, 1955 and April 30th, 1975. Digital history says Vietnam was the longest war in American history and the most unpopular American war of the 20th century. The space race happened between August 2nd, 1955 and July 17th, 1975. The National Air and Space Museum says that soon after World War II, the United States and the Soviet Union became locked in a global conflict pitting democracy against communism. Space became a critical theater in this Cold War, as each side competed to best the other's achievements in what became known as the space race. NASA says that Apollo 11 launched from Cape Kennedy on July 16, 1969, carrying Commander Neil Armstrong, Command Module Pilot Michael Collins and Lunar Module Pilot Edwin Buzz Aldrin into an initial Earth orbit of 114 by 116 miles. Apollo 11, first man on the moon, 1969. An estimated 650 million people watched Armstrong's televised image and heard his voice describe the event as he took one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind, on July 20th, 1969.
Thank you, Josh. And next we'll have Amy here present the themes and symbols in the novel. Short story.
Okay, hi guys.